everyone! In this video, we're going to learn about what is WordPress, a simple tool that helps you build your own website without needing to be a tech expert. And in this video, we will cover what is WordPress, who can use it, a simple look at WordPress.com and WordPress.org, the future of WordPress in 2025 and beyond. So, what is a WordPress? WordPress is a tool or content management system, CMS, that lets you create and manage website easily. In simple language, it means you can add images, text, videos to your website without writing any code. Before WordPress, websites were built through coding. People had to hire designers and developers. That took a lot of time and money. But WordPress changed everything. It started in 2003 as a simple blogging tool, and now it has grown into a powerful yet easy way to build a website. And here's the best part, WordPress is open source. It means it's not owned by any company. Instead, developers from all over the world contribute to it. They're constantly improving it, fixing issues, adding new features. That's why it keeps getting better and more powerful over time. Now that we have covered what is WordPress, our next question is, who can use it? Well, the answer is anyone. If you are a beginner, getting started with WordPress is really easy. You don't need to know any coding because WordPress gives you all the tools you need to create your website. And for developers, it is time saving. They can customize everything from design to how your site works without starting from scratch. From personal portfolio to online stores to big corporate sites, WordPress can do it all. That is why WordPress powers 43.6% websites on internet. In fact, many popular websites like NASA, Disney, Sony, Harvard are built on WordPress. Now you know what is WordPress and who can use it. But you have to be careful when searching on search engines because there you will see two types of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So what is WordPress.com? Think of it like renting an apartment. When you rent an apartment, someone else takes care of building maintenance, repairs and other tasks. You just have to move in and enjoy your stay. With WordPress.com, the platform handles all the technical stuff like hosting, updates for you. However, just like an apartment, you will only have few things to change around. For example, your website might end with www.wordpress.com and you are only limited to use the features they offer. You cannot use anything from the outside. Now, let's talk about WordPress.org. Just think of it like owning a house. When you own a house, you have complete freedom to renovate it, decorate it, and make changes just the way you like. With WordPress.org, you get that level of control. It's a free software that you install on your own hosting platforms. That means you can customize every part of your website. However, just like owning a house, you are responsible for its maintenance, repairs, and updates, all by yourself. So if you want a website with full control, WordPress.org is the answer. However, if you prefer a simpler setup with less maintenance, WordPress.com might be the better option. I hope this will help you to clear the confusion between these two. So what's next? WordPress is always evolving. It's adding new features like AI tools, improvement in speed. If you're curious about the future of WordPress, then do make sure to watch our video about the future of WordPress on our YouTube channel.